Welcome back to my tutorial series, and today I would like to show a little bit more about texturing, a few more things about lights, and how to create a glass material. I hope you remember from the previous chapter that I showed how to put materials on your game objects and color it. We wouldn't want to directly color it, so let's put it back to white. What the text material does is actually it wraps all around your game object. So whatever color we do on the material, it totally wraps around the game object. So if we put texture on the material, then it will wrap all around the game object. So what is the texture? Texture is actually a JPG image or a PNG image or any kind of image. What you need to do is just put it on the material. And how do you do that? You download any JPG image from the internet. Obviously try to find a free one, not a paid one. So I have downloaded this texture from the internet, and let's drag it here and put it here. It will be imported. So what I want to do is put it here on the platform. Let's drag it here to albedo map. What is albedo map? You don't need to know right now, and I can't really make you understand it right now. And to be honest, the whole material thing needs another course to be explained. Anyway, when I dragged it to the platform material, it mapped itself on the game object. So here you can see there is our platform, and oh wait, sphere. So actually I went around and tweaked something, forgot to add this back. Here it works just as before. And so next what we would like to do is put a texture on the ball material as well. I have downloaded it beforehand, so what I'll be doing is I have imported it as well, and it's in on my another project file. If I click here, it will open all the texture available in my project. So I have this texture glass effect, that is glass texture, that I have used in my project. So you can see it doesn't really look like a glass. It's because I haven't done anything to it yet. It needs to be reflective. So how do we do that? To do that, I have to change the rendering mode to transparent, and let's add more smoothness to it, and let's make it a bit more metallic. And in the color mode, I need to draw the alpha channel to 0. Now it looks like a glass. It's completely transparent, and you can see it looks like a glass, but there is no texture in the front. I'll show that in a later lesson. So anyway, let's move back to the light part. So what is a light? Let's put it here to explain. So this is our I have shown you the directional light. So if I move it, it doesn't do anything at all. What it does, it's basically a sun, really. So if I rotate it like this, it actually has an effect like that. So you can understand what it does. Moving it anywhere doesn't matter, just rotation is visible. It's a sun. So there are different types of light. Let me show the other. If I turn off this, everything will become black. Let's bring another light. Here is the light, and we have a few lights here, like the point light, spotlight, and area light. Let's try the point. Point light is like a bulb. So let's bring it here. Okay, let's 0, 0, 0, and let's pull it up. Oh, sorry. So it looks like a faint light, what I need to do is increase the intensity. Okay, so now you can see what it does. It really is a point light. When I put it here, now you can see that there is a little light here. That's what the point light. You can increase the range as well. Let me show you what is increasing. So the range actually is a shows how big it should be. The intensity, you can increase the intensity, and there are few modes, real time, mixed and big. I'll explain those in later. And the shadow type, if you put hard shadows or soft shadows, so you probably don't have those because of my Unity is a plus subscription, normal subscription, free versions of Unity you won't have those. Anyway, this is the point light. Let's remove that. Let's add the spotlight. So what does this spotlight does? Let's bring it here. Spotlight is a bit not really different, but it does actually. Let me show you. So you can see it actually what the name says, it creates a spotlight. So you can use this as a spotlight. Let me increase the spot angle. I can even increase the intensity just like the point light, but it acts like an spotlight rather than a point light. It's not a bulb. It's, you understand what is spotlight is. I don't want to explain. I don't know how to explain this. So this looks like this. And there you go. Basic material and texturing with reflections. That will be all for this tutorial. Bye bye.